G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. This is the install video for a Honda Civic EK or an Integra DC2. The fire extinguisher bracket that you buy comes with all the hardware necessary to install your fire extinguisher onto the bracket. In the video today, I'm going to be installing this one. This is a 1 kilogram twin latch extinguisher that we sell on our website at Kap Industries. The tools you need to install is just a 12mm socket and wrench and a couple of 8mm spanners that you can use for the hardware to install the cage onto this bracket. The procedure is very easy. You simply undo the two front seat bolts, take them out, bolt the cage of the extinguisher to this bracket, and then put the bolts back in. Very easy. Let's go do it. Start by removing the two front seat bolts. Once those front seat bolts are removed, then attach the extinguisher cage to the bracket. On the car, I'm mounting the cage as far this way as I can to make sure that I'm not interfering with the seat adjuster handle. So as far along this way as possible. Then tighten up with those 8mm spanners. Once the cage and everything is there, push the seat down, slip the bolts back in, and tighten them up by hand initially to make sure that you do not cross thread them. And then the next one. Then tighten them up with your socket. Then install the extinguisher into the cage. And clip it up. There you have it, fully installed.